What's up, guys? Hope everything's going good. As you see, I went to GameStop and finally picked myself up a little present. And so you already know by the title of the video what this is, but this is Nintendo Switch LITE. And yeah, I'm really happy I got this. I've been waiting to get this for a while, but I've been just putting it off. So finally picked it up. As you see, it's a fresh gray colorway here. There's also other colorways too. So this one I thought just looked the cleanest and the best, and this is the best sitting around my room. Also liked the Pokemon Sword and Shield one, but I felt like I didn't like the decal on the back, so I just decided to get this one right here. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and hop into the box. So yeah, like I said, let's hop into the box. I've never actually watched an unboxing of any Switch. I actually don't know. I mean, I know it's gonna be in here, but I don't know how it's gonna look and stuff. So let's see. Let me get my handy dandy knife on my desk. Slice this open. These unboxings on camera a little bit harder than you think. There you go. Alright, so box open. And I also have to mention I did get the insurance on this just in case it gave me that Joy-Con drift nonsense. So covered on that end. So what do we have? Just box to the side. Okay. First thing you have is a Switch. Looking nice and pretty right here. Right down. Looks like pretty basic packaging. What else is in here? You have some manuals so no one reads. And you have a charger brick. Wow, so super simple packaging. I really did expect there to be more in here, but that's like honestly maybe the easiest unboxing I've ever done. But anyway, okay, you can put the power cable off to the side. And this is actually my first time ever holding a Switch LITE, so let's see. Feels pretty good. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I actually don't even know what okay, here we go, power button. Let's see if it has any juice. Okay. Boot screen, got some juice on there. Okay, me and you are both watching this for the first time. Okay, there we go. We got the boot screen. And so yeah, that's a cool little thing. So there it is. That's the unboxing. I'll probably have some more follow-up videos about other things and other knickknacks I get for this. But that's it right there. Really just three things: the Switch, the power cord, and then the nonsense paperwork and instructions and stuff. So there it is. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.